Hey guys, I have a challenge for myself that is explain how Goroutine works in less than 5 minutes. So I have 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's get started. First thing first, we have the main function. Main function can call another functions. Let's say we have this function called function one. Function one takes 2 seconds to complete. And then we have this another function, it's called func2. And then this func2 takes 3 seconds to complete. So in a regular case, you're going to do like call the main function. Main function is going to call function one. It's going to take 2 seconds to complete. Then after that, it's going to call function two. Then we don't want to wait 5 seconds to have this completed. We want to make it faster. So what can we do? We can work with goroutines. Goroutine is basically you have the main function, the main process, and you can like fork this main process to have these other functions working in parallel. So instead of wait, this is going like to be running in parallel, and you don't actually need to wait for one to complete to be able to start the second one. So in practice, what that means, so first thing first, let me show that main function is a goroutine actually. In this way, we have one goroutine. So let's say we have this function, let's say it's say hi, and say hi just going to print hi. That's all I need. Then we have say bye, and say bye is going to say bye. And then let's say this function takes 2 seconds to complete. And then we have this other function that takes 3 seconds to complete. And then let's say we want to say like starting by. Instead of that, let's say by started and by completed. And then same thing for here, and hi started and hi completed. And that's it. So what we can do now, we can call this function, say hi and say bye, and then this is going to like say hi first, wait 2 seconds, say hi completed, and then by start, wait 3 seconds, and then by is completed. So we want to run that in parallel. So for that we can do something that's called the use of wait group, and for that we can use like sync package, wait group, and then we are going to say like in this wait group we have 2 functions, and then I want to wait this function to complete. Then I'm going to be able to move out of the main goroutine. So main is completed, it's a good message. And what's complaining? All right, got it. And then what it's missing here is because we need to pass this wait group to the function, and I'm going to explain why in a second. And then we have this wait group, it's a pointer, and same thing here, it's a wait group, sync pointer to the wait group. And then what it's actually missing here is because we need to tell, hey, like this function is done, you can join it back to the main function, and that's how we do using the done. I'm seeing I have 50 seconds. Let's speed up. So yeah, so this is the fork join model. This one I just started, hi completed, and by started, by completed. That's running exactly as before because we are not using the go keyword in front. If we do that, let's memorize this output here, and I can actually see it here. And then let's call it again. And then by started, hi completed, by completed, and done. And now you can see the difference here from the previous execution. And that was much faster as well. So that's basically it. 5 minutes.